When it comes to attraction, many men wonder why some seem to effortlessly catch women's attention, while others struggle to make a connection. Often the answer lies in something subtle but powerful: social proof. Social proof refers to the influence that others' actions, opinions, and behaviors have on our own, and it's a key factor in human attraction. For those navigating the dating world, understanding and harnessing social proof can be game-changing. Imagine this. You're at a party and notice two men, one surrounded by friends and engaged in lively conversations, while the other stands alone. Who would seem more attractive? Most people would say the first man, even without knowing him. Social proof plays a major role in why this happens, affecting how others perceive you without you even saying a word. This video will break down the psychology behind social proof and why it makes a difference in attraction. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to naturally become more attractive without changing who you are, just by knowing how to let your social proof work for you. Let's dive in. Number 1, understanding social proof and its psychological basis. Social proof is rooted in psychology and relates to our brain's wiring for social learning and conformity. Psychologist Robert Cialdini, who famously studied influence and persuasion, explains social proof as a principle where people look to others to guide their own decisions, especially in uncertain situations. When someone sees you positively recognized by others, they instinctively think you're a person of value. This is especially true in dating. Women often look for signals that indicate whether someone is trustworthy, respected, or charismatic. In a world of constant choices, social proof helps simplify decision-making, especially in areas where emotions are involved, like attraction. Just as a crowd gathered around a street performer attracts more people, when a man is seen positively by those around him, it naturally signals quality and can increase his appeal. Women, like anyone else, are wired to respond to these cues. Number 2, the impact of group dynamics on attraction. Humans are social creatures, and group dynamics can either amplify or diminish one's attractiveness. If you're well regarded within your social circle, that respect and admiration act as a spotlight, showcasing your qualities. Women tend to be attracted to men who others already seem to respect and enjoy being around. When a woman sees you as the center of positive group interactions, she's more likely to perceive you as charismatic, friendly, and trustworthy. This phenomenon is especially relevant in scenarios like parties, gatherings, or social media. For instance, a man who is frequently tagged in photos with friends, shares moments that highlight fun and positivity, or has others engaged in his content, demonstrates social proof digitally. This extends his attractiveness because he appears as someone others want to spend time with. Number 3, confidence through social validation. Social proof also works through validation. When others see people supporting and validating you, it enhances your confidence and attractiveness. If you're someone who receives compliments, enjoys friendships, or is praised for specific talents or qualities, that proof from others boosts your perceived confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a person can have because it signals self-assurance and stability. When a woman observes that others validate your worth, it's as if you come with a pre-approved stamp. This can be subtle, like how people react to your jokes or stories, or more direct, like when friends highlight your good qualities. Such moments create a positive aura that doesn't just improve how you feel about yourself, but also influences how others view you. Number 4, social proof in online spaces. With the rise of social media, social proof has a significant impact online. Your social media profiles are like windows into your social life, and they reveal much about who you are and how you're perceived by others. When a woman sees your profile filled with interactions, meaningful connections, and moments shared with others, it signals social proof even before meeting you. In contrast, a profile that appears inactive, lonely, or negative might have the opposite effect. If you're looking to harness social proof online, consider creating posts that showcase your hobbies, gatherings with friends, or accomplishments. Just being genuine and highlighting your interests and positive social interactions can make a difference. Social proof works as a digital referral. When your profile shows that you're respected and valued by others, it becomes a subtle yet powerful attraction tool. Number 5, how to build social proof naturally. Building social proof isn't about trying to be someone you're not. It's about presenting your best self in a way that's natural and appealing. Here are a few strategies for strengthening your social proof in real-life scenarios. First, be socially active. Attend events, engage in group activities, and don't hesitate to interact with new people. When you're consistently engaged, you're creating positive connections that enhance your social value. Second, cultivate close friendships. Quality friendships matter more than quantity. Having a few close, supportive friends not only boosts your confidence, but also makes you appear more trustworthy and reliable. Third, contribute positively to your group. Offer support, share a laugh, or lend a hand when needed. Being known as someone who brings value to others fosters admiration and respect, creating a solid base of social proof. And last, maintain genuine interactions. People appreciate authenticity, so focus on genuine connections rather than trying to impress others. Authenticity attracts those who appreciate you for who you are, which is a key part of positive social proof. Number 6. Why social proof matters in building attraction and emotional connection. Women often seek qualities in a partner that reflect stability, kindness, and charisma. When she sees that others already value and respect you, it gives her a preview of what being with you might be like. Imagine this scenario. You're with a group of friends, and you're the one everyone looks to when a question or decision arises. That position of being a trusted person within your group instantly conveys to her that you're valued and respected, a crucial element for creating emotional connection. Additionally, social proof can make you appear more interesting and desirable. When others are drawn to you, it piques curiosity and intrigue. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry a sense of mystery, and social proof can create that. If you're the man who's always surrounded by interesting people and activities, it adds layers to your personality that become more attractive over time. Social proof is a powerful yet often overlooked factor in attraction. By understanding its psychological roots and learning how to use it effectively, you can naturally enhance your appeal. Building social proof doesn't mean pretending to be someone you're not. It's about presenting your best self, staying socially active, and fostering genuine connections. Whether it's through group dynamics, confidence boosted by social validation, or an attractive online presence, social proof can make a significant difference in how you're perceived. To see real results, start by making small changes. Be more socially engaged, build meaningful friendships, and showcase the positive aspects of your life, both offline and online. Remember, social proof is about authenticity. Show the world your best, and attraction will follow naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who might benefit from it, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, keep an eye out for the recommended videos appearing on the screen. You're sure to find more valuable insights there. Thank you for watching.